This video, guys, we will see how we can add the missing packages in the ASP.NET project automatically. So you can have scenarios where you have you can see on the screen. So I am getting multiple errors because of the missing package references. So the one solution is always you can go one by one installing all the packages manually. So the other thing is what we can do is we can do that automatically using one command. So to do that automatically, what we have to do is you have to go to the tools option there, and you have to go to the Nugget package manager, and in the package manager console you have to write update package, and then you have to place a hyphen and then reinstall. So what it will do is it will check all the packages that it need in the packages file. So this is the file that it will check for the needed packages, and if any reference is missing in the section here or any package is missing, then what it will do is it will reinstall automatically all of these packages, and then your project will work fine. So you can see on the screen currently there are lots of errors, and now it is processing the command. So you can see the result in the few seconds here. It will take some time to process all the information, which packages are missing. And you can also check on the right side that it will install few references that it require and it doesn't have currently. So you will see that it will do that automatically without any manual changes. So the main benefit is you don't have to go one by one, and then you don't have to worry about installing the correct version also. So you can see that it has now installing the packages, and on the right side you will also see the changes going on. uh, so it is removing the old packages and then installing as per the package file. So it will take few seconds for completing that part. So on the right side you can see that it has added a few of the references already, and it will let us know when it completes. So now it is completed, and now you can see there is no error on the UI. All the references are installed. We can also rebuild the solution. So one thing you have to think about is it will only reinstall the packages that are available on the Nugget packages. Okay, so it will not require add up any project reference automatically, so you have to do that part on your own. But it can reinstall all the packages required by the project from the package config file. It can do that part. So this is how you can fix your references error, guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. So thank you.